Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I took a break for a few days and I see the market has pretty much done exactly what we expected it to do. And so let's understand what the Friday has in store for market, right? So now market has crossed very bullish yesterday. So if I go back to daily chart for a moment, we can see that market has done cut the low of 3 days and then it has closed above the high of previous 6 days. So this is a very huge resistance and also will determine the next level. So what should be our trading strategy for today? Now, two things. One is market can either continue the momentum or market can do a retracement. So these are the two possibilities that we can see for today. When do we know that it is ready for replacement? When we see a correction, whether Nifty opens gap down and breaks this support then of 22,255. This is when we go for shorting. So this is a bearish scenario that we will have. And let's say market opens flat or even gap up, then 22,431 will become a key level. 22,431. If 22,431 और to 22,400 पे सपोर्ट लेके मार्केट अगर ऊपर जाता है तो इट कैन गो टू 22,500, 22,580, 22,620 एंड 22,680. सो ये सब टारगेट आ सकते हैं इफ मार्केट इज इन mood to continue the yesterday's bull run, right? So that is the only way that we can know. The easy thing is to wait for first 15 minutes and then look at which side is it breaking. So ORB kind of trade, opening range breakout, will work very well today is my expectation. So opening range breakout basically is you take the first 15 minutes ka high and low, and whichever side it breaks you initiate the trade in that direction. So I think this will work very well today. We can see people do it for 5 minutes, people do it for 20 minutes, people do it for 50 minutes. So I think on a bullish day you should look for 15 minutes. That's what I will say. Let's see. So that is how I think Nifty will behave today. So I am bullish on a flat breakout, flat opening or a gap up opening, and if the market is able to sustain that, I'm bullish for 22,500, 22,580, 22,620 and 22,680. On the other hand, if market breaks 22,250, then market breaks 22,255. That's when I will look for a negative candlestick pattern to form there. It could bounce from here as well and make a negative candlestick pattern somewhere here. Then, but this level should not be broken, 22,555. So probably I'll wait for a pullback to short and then wait for a negative candle, or in Man Nifty I will use our scalping system and I will look for targets of 22,184 and 22,100 again. So today could be a very, very decisive day. It's a very important GAN date as well for market. So let's see how it goes. Trade well, trade carefully, and be open to trade both sides. So I will see you in another educational video later tonight. Bye bye.